जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम। और कैसे हैं दोस्तों, आप लोग सब खैरियत से हैं। आज हमारे साथ इस टाइम पे पैलेस्टाइन के कुछ प्रोटेस्ट के ऊपर भी बात हुई हम लोगों की लोग हुए, पर एक ज़बरदस्त सी इन्वेंशन के तौर पे आप अगर कहा जाए तो वो एक बच्चा हमको मिला है, उसके वालिद भी हैं, उसकी छोटी बहन भी है, और उन्होंने एक चीज़ इन्वेंट करी है। आया आपको भी दिखा, इन्वेंट किया है जी, ये किया है उन्होंने। क्या नाम है इसका जी?
Labbaik Cola.
लब्बैक कोला। और ये कोला बेसिकली लोग इस टाइम पीपल आर प्रोटेस्टिंग
Yeah.
एंड दे आर नॉट ड्रिंकिंग कोको कोला।
Yeah,
So
and Pepsi.
this is you create this cola, yeah?
Yeah.
And tell us about how this thing idea will come in your mind basically.
It's because all of the genocide in Gaza and how all the people are dying and they're being bombed in Gaza. So
Okay, so you basically you
yeah,
think इस टाइम के ऊपर we need something
yeah,
protect.
we need an alternative for Coke and Pepsi.
Okay, and what about the money? Money will goes to
Yeah,
some
10%. 10%
10% will
will
go
go
to
to charity.
charity
Yeah,
for Gaza.
yeah,
And what about the taste wise? Because we have a lot of Muslim countries,
yeah.
they never create any taste like Coca-Cola. Do you think this taste
Yeah, it
is
has
good?
a very good, refreshing taste.
It's good taste.
Yeah,
Okay, and what about the price wise? What is the price?
yeah. We're going to like make it affordable so like anyone can buy it.
So what is the price?
We're working on it.
Any idea what is the price?
Price is quite reasonable as compared to the Coca-Cola. It's a little bit less than that. So
Okay,
it's very
so
affordable for everybody.
okay, so we have another brother as well. His so you are basically supporting this cause as well. And do you think basically we really need it, because a lot of people are protesting at the moment for Coke and they are not drinking. At least as a Muslim, this is our first as well to make some quality stuff. So do you think
That's
the quality is good?
that's very right. The quality is very nice. You will enjoy that. It's a very refreshing taste, and we are improving the taste. We are continuously. We have a team actually who is working on it and improving the taste as well. Time by time, it will be more. There will be more improvements in that.
Yeah.
And obviously, this drink, obviously, when the Prophet comes, is going to go to the Gaza for the medical aid, kind of different kind of aids. If you are drinking Coke or any other drinks, they are buying the bullets for our kids. They are killing our kids with
That's
that.
true.
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna support our kids. So obviously, it makes a huge difference, and we want everybody to support us in this cause. It's not only for us; it's for everybody actually.
And I can see, like the packaging is quite good. Like
Yes,
it's
thank
no
you.
not less than any good Coke. So how many flavors they have basically?
At the moment, we have just one flavor we launched, but soon we are having the diet flavor, orange flavor, and lemonade flavor as well.
Okay.
So it's
And
gonna be like
where
four
the
set
people
of flavors.
where the people can find this one?
Uh, our containers are basically on the way now. It will be within the market, within the shops, and all the cash and carries within a couple of weeks' time, inshallah.
Inshallah. And if people was watching you and they want to contact you regarding about this product, what they should do?
They can go onto the website www.labbaikcola.com and they can find all the details. If you want the pricing in detail, get in touch with us. And if you want more in the bulk quantity for your restaurants, for your food chains, for your cash and carries, please get in touch with us.
And if they wanted to taste it as well,
Definitely, if you want to taste, let us know. We will send you the samples. We do have the samples right now with us, and we will send you the samples. So taste it, and you can go for
so
it.
whoever is watching, they can contact me as well, so I can give you a contact detail. And this is a very good cause, and at least we are not spending money towards, like Israel, and give it the money to them. Is better. The whole family and everything, they are supporting, so we have to support this brother as well. And you can contact us regarding about this. Thank you.